How's it going, everyone? So in this video, I'm going to talk about how to grow taller overnight, step-by-step tutorial. So before I get started, please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I do appreciate the support, helps my channel grow. Please follow me on Instagram, Dillenberg999. So one of the main things that people don't know for growing taller is vitamin D. Now this can really be causing your growth to slow down. Studies have proven that about 97% of people are deficient in vitamin D. Now, they might get a little bit of vitamin D, but they don't get the full amount. Not getting the full amount of vitamin D has been proven by studies to actually slow down growth. So chances are, if you're watching this video, for every 10 people, 9.7 people are going to be deficient in vitamin D. Again, 97%. That's insane. Here's what I do. I live in a colder area, so sometimes in the winter we don't get enough sunlight. So I actually, every single day I take a vitamin D supplement. Literally every single day I take vitamin D. I noticed after taking vitamin D, not only are my energy levels skyrocketed, but I have experienced a little bit of growth too. I went to the doctor a couple of weeks ago, and normally I'm about 5'9", 5'9 and a half. And I'm not even kidding. They said I was 5'10". I'm like, no, I'm 5'9", maybe 5'9 and a half. They're like, no, you're 5'10". So I think vitamin D definitely helped. I've been taking the vitamin D supplement for about a year now. I am 29 years old too. Most people, the growth stops at about 25, but you can still get a little bit taller as you get a little bit older. So definitely vitamin D. Look into a vitamin D supplement if you want to. Talk to your doctor about it, obviously, but I would really look into vitamin D. Again, 97% of people are deficient in vitamin D. Now, in order to get vitamin D, obviously a supplement, the normal way is actually getting outside. You only need about 15 minutes of sunlight a day to get enough vitamin D, but a lot of people don't even get that. So I really recommend that. Hanging exercises. I know there's a big misconception around hanging that it doesn't work. It does work. A lot of people have proven already that hanging exercises do work because it stretches the muscles. It stretches the muscles, you guys. So I'm just looking at my pull-up bar right now. Hanging, I would say a hanging exercise about 20 minutes a day. So hanging from a pull-up bar 20 minutes, it can definitely help. Skipping is really good because every time you skip, it lengthens the leg muscles, you guys. So skipping, jumping rope, really good, you guys, for growing taller. So I recommend trying those out. I definitely think that can help. End of video. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel.